Testing for the new Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio Luna Rossa has recently concluded at the historic Balocco Proving Ground, where the brand's highest performance vehicles have been developed since 1962. This limited series, produced in just 10 units, all of which are already sold, is the first concrete result of the partnership between Alfa Romeo and the Luna Rossa sailing team. Developed within the Bottega Fuori Serie universe, the car represents a technical manifesto of Italian engineering, combining extreme performance with absolute exclusivity. Under the hood, the vehicle is powered by a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering 520 horsepower. It is equipped with a mechanical self-locking differential, a solution that optimizes torque transfer to increase stability, agility, and cornering speed. This powertrain allows the car to reach a top speed of 300 kilometers per hour, supported by the most advanced aerodynamic package ever developed for a Quadrifoglio model. The low-drag carbon fiber kit includes specific appendages on the front bumper, profiles on the bottom of the bodywork, and a dual-profile rear wing inspired by the foils of the AC-75 Luna Rossa boat. These technical interventions generate an aerodynamic load 5 times higher than the standard production version, achieving 140 kilograms of downforce at 300 kilometers per hour. To ensure precise driving dynamics, the engineers achieved an optimal aerodynamic balance of 40% on the front axle. Visually, the car features an iridescent paint finish that mimics the metallic effect of the AC-75 boat hull. This is paired with a two-tone livery featuring a black bonnet, roof, and rear, while for the first time in history, the Alfa Romeo logos are finished in red. Inside, the connection to sailing is immediate. The Sparco seats are upholstered with graphics inspired by the crew's life jackets, and the dashboard features a one-off layer crafted from original material taken from actual Luna Rossa sails. The Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio Luna Rossa is currently being showcased at the Luna Rossa base in Cagliari during the preliminary regatta Sardinia, marking the team's preparations for the 38th America's Cup.